If you love more of an Art Deco look, then this beautiful tiara with these gorgeous crystal arches will certainly help you shine like a star on your big day. We also have it available in gold. So if you'd love to check us out, take a look at my Soulmate Wedding shop on Etsy and let us know if you have any questions. We love connecting with the brides around the world and helping them find their dream headpiece that will make them feel confident, adored and cherished on their special day. I hope you love this too. I just adore how beautifully this sparkles and how well it sits on the head. It does need to be propped with bobby pins, so it doesn't sit on the head by itself, but it is just so magnificent. I hope you agree.